What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for checking out the channel as we continue ever so closely to the launch of The Last of Us 2. So I'm doing a deep dive walkthrough, talking about some things you may have not known in the game, reliving, revisiting some of the major points as we do a complete walkthrough of the game leading up to the launch of the next chapter. So I'm really excited for this. If you're excited as well, if you're getting The Last of Us Part 2, Day 1 launch, or if you're replaying this game for yourself, let me know in the comments. Like this video if you're enjoying the content so far. I really have enjoyed talking with you guys about it and just getting the hype built up. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's get it. Alright guys, here we are. We are back. As you can see, we just picked up Ellie. So we are going to keep going. Let's not waste any time. We got a game to beat.
I heard I was shooting, but what happened?
Let's check this out. We got a pendant.
Same thing's gonna happen to us if we don't get off the street.
You're the pro. I'm just following you.
Ellie was always one of my favorite characters in any game I've ever played. She has the most, what I feel to be, depth of any like supporting character. But I guess actually she's a main character. So excuse me. Go this way? No. Is there something? No. All right, let's keep going. Got to get off the streets here. I would say another favorite character of mine would be Atreus from God of War. If you guys have never played God of War, another just absolutely incredible game. But let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys... Oh, hold on. Let me know in the comments what you guys think is your favorite main or supporting character. I also think Clank from the Ratchet & Clank series is also one of my favorite characters of any game. He's definitely a main character. Don't at me. The boys are out trying to stay under the radar.
Where are we going?
Up there. That'll get us to the north tunnel.
How are we supposed to reach that?
Just give me a minute.
Joel has no time to be babysitting. He's like, girl, can you just go away? Alright, here we go. Should work. There we go. Come on, Ellie. We got things to do. Do you have any ammo? Yeah, it's 6, okay. Right. Hopefully we don't need it.
Smuggle things?
Yep.
Illegal things?
Sometimes.
You ever smuggled it before?
No, that's a first. So what's the deal with you and Marlene anyways?
I don't know. She's my friend, I guess.
Your friend, huh? You're friends with the leader of the Fireflies. What are you, like 12?
She knew my mom, and she's been looking after me. And I'm 14. Not that that has anything to do with anything.
So where are your parents?
Where are anyone's parents? They've been gone a long time.
So instead of just staying in school, you decided to run up and join the Fireflies, is that it?
Look, I'm not supposed to tell you why you're smuggling me, if that's what you're getting at.
You wanna know the best thing about my job? I don't gotta know why. To be honest with you, I give two shits what you're up to.
Well, great.
Good.
It's a very warm conversation between these two. Let's see, it will not let me sprint, so I guess we're just supposed to take it easy.
Is it?
What are you doing?
Killing time.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
I am sure you will figure that out.
Your watch is broken. You mumble in your sleep. I hate bad dreams.
Yeah, me too.
You know, I've never been this close to the outside. Look how dark it is. Can't be any worse out there. Can it?
What on earth do the Fireflies want with you?
Hey. Sorry it took so long. Soldiers fucking everywhere.
How's Marlene?
She'll make it. I saw the merchandise. It's a lot. Wanna do this?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we are on the move once again. So let's see.
It's a bit strange that they're having us do their smuggling.
Marlene wanted to do it herself. We weren't their first choice. Or the second, for that matter. She's lost a lot of men. Beggars can't be choosers.
Let's just hope there's someone alive to pay us.
Someone will be around.
A little note here. Okay, let's check this out. It's a long grocery list. Alright, so I don't think there's anything of value here, so we can just get on our way. A little secret passage here. There we go. All right, so far so good. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for checking this out with me. Once again, I appreciate it.
She said there's some fireflies that travel all the way from another city. Girl must be important. What is the deal with you? You some baby's daughter or something?
Something like that. How long is this all going to take?
If everything goes as planned, we should get you to them in a few hours. Ellie, once we get out there, I need you to follow our lead and stay close.
Yeah, of course.
A little map here. All right. All right, let's get moving, guys. Let's see. Go up here.
Now hold up. There's a patrol up ahead. All right. We're good. Come on up. Go on, kid. Watch your step.
All right. Let's keep going.
Listen, good.
Holy shit. I'm actually outside.
Nothing back here? Okay. Alright, let's keep going.
This way.
Don't do anything stupid.
Move.
Turn around, underneath. You scan him, I'll call her in.
Put your hands on your head.
This is Ramirez at Sector 12. Requesting pickup for 3 stragglers. Understood. Look the other way. We can make this worth your while.
Sure. Tired of shit.
Mm-hmm.
What's ETA?
Couple minutes.
Gee.
Oh, fuck! I thought we were just gonna hold him up or something.
Oh, shit. Look.
Jesus Christ. Marlene said us, huh? Why the hell are we smuggling an infected girl?
I'm not infected.
No? Just lying.
I can explain.
You better explain fast.
Look at this.
I don't care how you got infected.
It's 3 weeks old.
No, everyone turns within 2 days, so you stop bullshitting.
It's 3 weeks. I swear. Why would she set you up?
I ain't buying. Cheers. Run. Run!
Go!
Alright, we gotta go.
Follow me. Quickly. When I give you the signal, we run.
Signal. Run.
Now, run.
Go. Just gonna head this way. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. We're good.
Oh, it's gonna be another sprint. You ready?
Sure. Yeah.
Dude, they're everywhere.
This is not how this was supposed to go.
Let's go.
Oh, jeez. Right above us.
Just stay back.
Don't see anything down. Are we sure they came this way? If we're told otherwise, we keep scanning.
There's 3 of them, too.
Stay down, don't let them see you.
Come on, follow Joe.
We got this, guys. Okay. I'm gonna... She said follow me. I don't know where I'm going. Let's see, we're supposed to go when he moves. Maybe, okay. He's still above us, but we can kind of get around him.
You see anything?
Have a look at the hand.
So far, so good.
Alright. Oh, jeez. I think we're supposed to go that way. Alright, come on. We made it. At least through that part. Can't go up there. So far, so good, guys. Nothing else? Materials? Okay. Could use that. Alright. I really do appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'm having a lot of fun replaying this game. It's been such a long time, but it really holds up well. So thank you for chilling, hanging out, enjoying this series with me. It means a lot.
Hold on.
It'll mean even more if we can get through this part. Alright, come on. Can we go up? Get through here. Okay, cool. You're still good.
We can get through here.
Is there anything over here? Yeah, maybe. Okay, cool. That'll come in handy. Alright, we made it through that part. Now we just gotta get through here.
There's so many of them out here.
I ain't spotted us yet. Let's go around.
Looks like we may have to put some guys in a chokehold.
It's too many, Tess.
Please don't come this way. Oh my god, okay. Can we take him out really quick? No, we can't. We can and we will. Alright, so far so good. We might have to distract them a little bit. I'm not gonna worry about him. I'm not gonna worry about him. We're just gonna keep going. No time to waste, guys. We're home free. We're almost there. Is he down here? Okay.
Tess, you got any idea which way?
Yeah, down here.
Let's see where this leads.
Yeah, this looks right.
Did we make it?
Stay close.
Holy smokes, guys. We made it.
How's it look?
Think we can squeeze through here.
Charlie Squad, report.
Shh. I got more soldiers.
Target's still on the loose, sir. Break out 6 feet and report back to Sector 11.
I don't think they see us.
Acknowledge. This is your vehicle.
Stay in the shadows.
Alright, we can go that way, I think, but we're gonna see what's in here first. Locker? Okay. Can we make anything? Oh, just more shivs.
They're still around.
Yeah. We'll hold off for now until we need them.
Joel, see if there's anything we can use in here.
Sure thing, boss.
I think that's everything. Alright, let's keep going.
Tess, up through here to this pipe. I think we can make it through here.
You're very close, Sally.
Okay.
Gather up. Call us back. We bring to the wall. You heard the man. Over up. Go, go.
All right, there you go.
What was the plan? Let's say that we deliver you to the Fireflies. What then?
Marlene, she said that they have their own little quarantine zone With doctors, they're still trying to find a cure.
Yeah, we heard that before, huh, Tess?
And whatever happened to me is the key to finding a vaccine.
Oh, Jesus.
It's what she said.
Oh, I'm sure she did.
Hey, fuck you, man. I didn't ask for this.
Me neither. Tess, what the hell are we doing here?
What if it's true?
I can't.
What if, Joel? I mean, we've come this far. Let's just finish it.
Do I need to remind you what is out there?
I get it.
This way. If we cut through downtown, we can hit the Capitol building by sunrise.
We hope.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this next part. Or this part, actually, I should say. We will be pumping these out as quickly as we can. We're going to keep going here. But we'll stop there. It seems like a good point. I don't want to make these videos too long, as I know you guys don't want to spend an hour watching any one of these videos. So I'm going to break them off into tiny little parts that you can kind of sip and savor on as we head closer to the end. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.